Are you curious about whether YouTube TV offers a guide to help you navigate live TV and plan your viewing? If you're someone who loves staying organized and wants an easy way to track your favorite shows, this video is for you. In this tutorial, I'm going to break it all down and explain whether YouTube TV has a guide and how you can use it to enhance your streaming experience. So let's dive in and explore this handy feature. Yes, YouTube TV does have a program guide, and it's one of the platform's standout features. The guide provides a detailed, user-friendly layout of all the channels available in your subscription, along with a schedule of what's currently airing and what's coming up next. You can scroll through the guide to browse live TV, set reminders for upcoming shows, or even start recordings using the Cloud DVR feature. It's just like using a traditional cable TV guide, but with the added convenience of being accessible on all your devices. Smart TVs, tablets, phones, and more. Plus, the guide is fully customizable, so you can hide channels you don't watch and prioritize your favorites. If this video helped you learn about YouTube TV's guide feature, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming!